What's going on, guys? It's Dawes. Welcome back to the channel. Is your corner marker light, parking light, whatever you want to call it, not working? Well, today, in this easy installation right here, I'm going to show you guys how to replace them. I'm just going to be using these awesome, convenient LED bulbs. I got a pack of them, like 5. I forgot how long it's been, but it's like a whole pack right here. 2 packs, two different kinds in case I want it, but I'm obviously going to use a brighter one because it looks cool. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys how to replace them. So let's go ahead and get started.